In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Widevine DRM in Brave browser. If you've ever tried to watch a movie or a show online and got an error about protected content, this is likely what you need. Widevine is a digital rights management component that many streaming sites rely on to securely deliver video. Brave keeps this turned off by default for privacy reasons, but you can enable it in just a minute. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly, and I'll share a few tips along the way. First, open your Brave browser. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to load fully. It's also a good idea to keep Brave up to date, since updates can include fixes for media playback. Now look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. You might hear this called the hamburger menu. It opens Brave's main controls and settings. If your window is very narrow, you may need to maximize it to see the icon clearly. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Brave's preferences. Don't worry, we won't change much, just a single switch. On the left-hand sidebar inside Settings, click Extensions. This page lists built-in components and any extensions you've installed. We're heading here because Widevine in Brave is managed like a component you can turn on or off. Next, scroll through the list to find Widevine. It may appear as Widevine or Google Widevine, and you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, the switch will usually change color to indicate it's active. Brave may briefly prompt you to allow the component or download a small piece needed to play protected content. Go ahead and confirm that. That's normal and only happens the first time. Once the toggle is on, you're basically done. Head back to the site you were trying to watch and refresh the page. If the video still doesn't start right away, try closing and reopening the tab. In some cases, a quick browser restart helps the change take effect. Also, make sure you're signed in to your streaming service and that your subscription and region support that title. That's it. To recap the flow you just learned, open Brave, click the three-line menu, go to Settings, choose Extensions, and turn on Widevine. With that switch enabled, most major streaming sites should play without those protected content errors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your shows. If this helped, consider keeping Brave updated so Widevine stays compatible with the latest streaming requirements.